Oh, what's that?
Hopper.
Do you like that? Is it? Okay. I got some advice.
It's such a good movie.
Look at Hopper.
What is that?
Look at Hopper.
Wow! Does that fly?
Bring it over here.
Bring it to Uncle Nathan. He's gonna show you how to use it. He's gonna fly it. Oh,
Come here.
he's over there. Go get him.
Here, I'll show you how to fly. Here, I'm gonna open it for you.
It's from Sephora. Have you used Sephora nail polish before? No. Oh, it's just...
What is that, a plunger? Who got you that?
I did for your apartment because you're gonna need it.
I saw it. I was like, yeah, it's awesome. Oh my
What?
God.
It's practical. Lindsay,
Oh.
it's practical.
Is it supersonic? It's the guy. I was thinking it would work great too.
It is. I had really good ratings.
For the man who makes coffee cans. That's so...
I don't think that's not.
I would have never guessed that.
Oh, really? I know.
That is